like I said, when you're dealing with KWs and Keep, it's your TRP part. It's the height valve. This is the height control valve. All right. It's right there. I don't know if you can see it. HV54007. HV54007. It's a PACCAR part, but it's TRP. I paid $60 for this. All right. So let's go ahead and install it. All right. So what you're looking at is the old one. Now the reason why I'm replacing it with a new one, because you got too much play in this. There's too much play over here. Alright? And she's leaking out the back end of this. It's the reason why I'm changing it, because she's leaking out the back end. Alright? It's the back end, that's what she's leaking out. So we're gonna do today, let's change it. Alright, so let me go get what I gotta get real. Trying to find Teflon, whatever I need to get it together. So pretty much when you open it up, you get the instructions, you get the tools, air valves, new valves and everything. And this is the new height control valve. This is for the fifth wheel. Alright. We're gonna install everything. I don't think it ain't screws and bolts, but same way you gotta do, you're gonna put it back. Alright. Take off the top piece here. Install this plastic piece. I'm trying to find let me find that. See if I can find that real quick before I do this. All right, so you gonna go with the laptop. I can't find the liquid. I can't find the liquid thread, so you're gonna go with the laptop. Pretty much same thing. You need water, so ain't coming out, backing out. So I gotta do a little bit on it. I was trying to find the laptop liquid thread, but can't find it. So what you're gonna do? Take your time, put that in there. Get in there by hand. Tighten it down. You need 7/16. So you need 7/16. Tighten it down. Nice, that's on. What you're gonna do now is follow the same thing here. You're gonna go to new here. Like I said, it's gonna come with everything you need before I get it in there. So we're gonna leave all the rest of that on like that. We're gonna install these here. Like I said, I don't have any liquid thread. So we're gonna definitely go with these right here. You don't have to put a whole lot. It's enough. Screw them in by hand. You go by hand before you get a wrench on it. So you need a 7/16 wrench. You got a ratchet wrench here, so whatever you prefer. That one. You got the bottom one. It's simple. It's a height control valve for your airbags. Alright? You take the bottom piece, do the same thing. Put it in by hand. Hopefully you ain't gotta take it off, change it again. I don't know who put something with that pink line, but it's cool. Alright, so you got that like that, so I can get it. Alright, so put that in the bag. What you gonna do now? Install your hoses. I gotta get some nuts and bolts, but pretty much like this. Alright, so this here, you gotta raise it up and catch up to here. You still have other nuts and bolts in my pocket. Unless I got it at home, but it didn't cover nuts and bolts, so I think I left everything home. Yeah, it is what it is. All right, so pretty much, well, you gotta take your fittings off. It's all about the fittings. Let's do this one right here. Take this one off the top. Don't never throw your fittings away. Just put them up in that plastic bag. You might need these later on. Put them in a bag. So this the bottom one here. All you gotta do really is bring that one down. Tighten it up. The top one is your ear spring, all right? You don't really gotta put on tap. You ain't gotta put it on because it already has a fitted in there. So and that's nuts and bolts. So I'm gonna have to find some nuts and bolts, but this is gonna go up here, attached to this. Screw everything down. Once you hit it, it'll raise up on its own. So let's see if we can find something that'll get that up. All right, so I'll be right back. Bag everything up, and that's how you install your height control valve. Yeah. Some mistakes there, folks. Same old bullshit. That's that bitch. Same old bullshit. Somebody know. That's all somebody do. Alright. That's all it is, bro. And one. It's not real now. It's not real now because he's mad. It's not. Trade that one too. Trade Bob. Trade Bob going harder with it. Sit the fuck in. Take the fuck up. Going away from my little dog. Trade my little dog. Exactly. Exactly. Yeah, you can do it. Yeah.
Dollar said they was all trying to start something. And he said Dre's, he told Dre's on the business. He gonna start something. Wait, you gotta build this. Dre's like, can't pay them. That's what he said. And then this, Nollis didn't say that he gonna pay nothing. You know what I'm saying? He got mad because Nollis had, God said, you know, God covered with him. So, yeah, so he's mad because he's saying that I'm gonna get a guy over he should have got money, but Nollis said, there was no more agreement for nobody to get paid all this shit. You came up, that was it. There wasn't no agreement for nobody to get paid, so where did this pay shit come from? That's what everybody trying to figure out. Trey's ain't even saying anything. When he asked him, he's making a trash, she ain't saying about that. So where the fuck did his money come from? That's what everybody's trying to figure out right now. What is you talking about? That's what we're trying to figure out. What the fuck is he talking about? Because it wasn't. You know, when you worry about the little money that she earned, what they can do. You already said he was these yards. You know, that was called me 3, 4 o'clock in the morning. I was sitting there, you talked to my girl. Shit. You be talking about your girl like this. Alright, once you get the screws in, so it don't come with screws. You have to go buy your own screws. So I did. I'm staying still. Screws in here. So they just have to need this up in this one too. Alright. Now. Oh. Man, I'll deflex it for you. 3 hours back. He's 3 hours behind us. The 3 hour difference. Exactly. No, if he called Calico at 3 in the morning, our time. So for Calico, it'd be 12 o'clock. Yeah, it'd be 12 o'clock. Yeah, they got him out the mix. He not in the mix. Velo not in the mix. They got a couple out the mix. Velo will do a live talk on the other day. He talked to me. He did not just talk to something. What's going on? Y'all miss me? What's the freedom action? Hey. YouTube, we pretty much done with the video. Alright, so that's pretty much how's everything looking right there. It's the airbags. If you look over here, you see the airbags there. You see the airbags raised up. We'll go back over here. Yeah, I hear you, bro. Raise it up. I stay back over to the right. Raise it up now. Get back up. Appreciate you watching. I miss you. I might say some jumps. Yeah, watch on Jack.